Africa Content TV. African Content TV. This is a very great Yoruba culture. Ooni of Ife, Oba Enitan Adeyeye Ogunwusi gets a new wife. After months of speculation that Ooni was set to take a new wife, he finally did. It was learned that the name of the new wife is Olori Mariam. Arrangement started in March when Ooni sent a high-power delegation to her family to request for her hand in marriage.
Látọ̀dọ̀ àwọn bàbá wa ọba ẹjọ́ jẹ́ kí gbogbo adájọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹjọ́ please let's reply please.
Aláṣọ wájọ àrólé Oòduà wájọ olórí aládé òkè gbìdìbì wájọ ìlànà àti aláyélúwà wájọ ẹ̀yàgbò agbèjìlá àwọn láti pòlì ní sílẹ̀ wà níjà àwọn ọmọ. Aláṣẹ ọ̀rìṣà àrólé Oòduà
Bàbá wa ọba ni o.